Stop by HomeGoods to see what they have in right now. All right, I think we might have saw this before, but I just think it is so cute. So it's like a little bicycle table. And the thing that's cute about it to me is that it looks like an actual bicycle because it's like they just strap down the wheels. Like if you took the top off and pedaled this, you could go somewhere. But it is $400 and it's like a counter height size. And then they had it paired with these two stools right here, and they were on clearance for 140, just nice neutral. And then they had like the metal black bar right there on those. These right here I think are cute. So they are like the metal tins, but then they're shaped like a little ship. They have the nautical rope. They have a cute little anchor on it. Those were like kind of stuck in there real good. But they come in three different sizes, or at least I saw them in three different sizes. That one was $13 for that one right there. But they all come in the same shape, just they'll get bigger. Some cute flamingo pieces. So they have a lot of, dining sets and stuff for outdoors, little pictures. These are cute because it's like a light color pink. $13 for those. And then the handle has like the flamingo look. I think we saw a lot of these pieces before too, but they are super pretty. This little flamingo napkin holder right here, $8. And then these are like the nautical pieces, but in the white. So you can get it like in that like silver that looks a little distressed, or in that white right there, and that has a nice nautical look to it too. These trays I thought was so pretty. So they come in different sizes, so they're all stacked in together. So $15, $17. It's only a couple dollar price difference, but it just looks so pretty. You have to like see them. They have patio sets still that you can grab. The weird thing about the patio sets, some are going to be on clearance, some are not going to be on clearance. So I don't know. I don't know what it's based on. This chair right here, another stool, I thought was real pretty just because of the details and the stitching in it. I thought that was real nice. And then the color is just a nice gray. Another nice patio set. So it was stacked with stuff, but you're going to get two chairs. You're going to get the table and the sofa, and it is $2,000. The cushions are a nice light color, so it goes with it real pretty. Just something nice and neutral that I love. I love a neutral piece because it goes in a lot of different places. And then they had it paired with that little umbrella there. And you can see they have a lot of stuff that they are putting out now. So I can't wait to see what they're putting out. Know if it's more summer stuff or if it's for another season. This chair right here, so it's 250. I sat down in it because it looked small, but I'm not a small person. And it was a nice comfy fit for that right there. This lamp right here, cute because it has like the two pieces, the little like marble base, and then it's like a gold. $70 for that right there. It's like a nice reading style lamp too. This right here, it was a little distressed. So I think the look is supposed to be distressed, but there was like chipping on it too. This right here is some nice neutral bathroom storage. So it has like kind of that rattan look, and then the nice neutral color. And that was 180. And then you can use it like how they're using it. Put the towels there, stack different toiletries and stuff in the bottom. It's just like a nice, storage piece. You could put baskets in there. You could put a lot of different things. This I thought was cute. So it's like for a nursery. Um, but just a little cute elephant shape. I just thought that was cute. So you can use that in your kids' room, or you can use it someplace else. Another nice neutral color. These pieces, so they like little jewelry holders, organizers, the cupcake and cashmere pieces. I like these pieces. They're just so cute and like girly looking. And I think they'll look cute on a vanity. These I thought were nice too. So they're separate. They're sold separate, but they had them like stacked like little nesting boxes. But they came in those three sizes, and then the price was not that big a difference in between the sizes, because for the bigger one, $15 for that, and then I think that is the medium size one that was right there, and then that was $13. Just a couple different dollar difference, and they look cute stacked up, and you can use them of course for storage. Handles, like handles for your cabinets and stuff like that they have. So they had those $7. These right here, so they kind of have that crystal look to it. $7 for those right there. These shelves, so they had like this circular one right here, but I don't know if you can see, it has like the little arch detail in the back of it, and then like this little moon crescent one right here, and then it has like little faux marble shelves on it. That one was $30 for that, and they both came in the gold. And then $35 for the round one with the little shape. And then of course they have the hooks and stuff to hang on the wall, placemats and stuff. HomeGoods always has a ton of placemats. I thought these were pretty though. $15 and you'll get the set, and that's just something cute. I think it would be cute for the season. These right here I thought were nice. And then they had a ton of the checkered like ones, which I thought were interesting because they have like a nice simple look to it. These little macrame napkin holders, I thought they were nice. $15 for those. Just something, cute to dress up your table, especially if you like to change up the place settings for the seasons. A ton of nice glassware. So if you want to change up your bar, if you want to get a couple of cute vessels, vases, decor pieces, they had a lot of pretty pieces. So this one in the pretty pink right here with the shape, $25, and it was a decent size, like a real decent size. That one right there, just a real pretty like print on that one right there, and that one was $20. Like I said, a ton of nice drinking glasses, candle holders, all kind of different stuff. That's $17. This, I thought it was like one of those water pitchers you put by the side of your bed, but I think it's a candle holder. $10 for that. These glasses kind of have like a hammered metal look to it, and then like a rose gold color. $6 for those, and they came in different sizes, so you can get different ones. This, I thought, another one I thought was pretty because it kind of had like a frosted glass look and then like a hand painted look. $20 for that one right there. They had some pretty blues to pick from. Just a ton of pretty like glass items in right now. Like the bee theme is everywhere, and they had some pretty like bee theme glasses, just like the subtle gold in it. $5 for those. Those would be cute, like on the bar. And then Dollar Tree has some things that you can kind of mix and match with that. These right here, I don't know if you can see, but it's raised. So all of those are raised. $8 for those right there. And then you see they have more bee glasses in the back. These with the little rattan detail, $5 for those. Target had, I think, a set, not that color though, of those like more chairs, like stools and stuff for your dining area. These just a nice neutral. Nautica, I like a lot of their pieces. So $200 for those, and they had like a set of more than four in those, depending on how many you need. These stripe ones I thought were nice, $200 for those. And if you can see, it has like a little gold detail on the bottom, on the sidebar there. So I just thought that was nice. And then it helps too from chipping the wood, if you're using it. They still have some clearance pieces. A lot of the clearance that is left at my HomeGoods though is a little worn, but they still do have some clearance. This stool I thought was nice, but it didn't have a tag on it. But you can see that half circle table. I think we might have saw that one before too. These benches I think are pretty because they're wood, and I love wood. But they also have like a nice little spindle detail in it at the bottom. So I just thought that was just like a nice extra little nice detail. And they were 130 for those, and they had two of those at my HomeGoods. But like a few different pieces. Like I said, they have some clearance left. They have a lot of nice furniture, and I'm not sure if we saw these before, but I love this chair. Again with the details, because I like just some little details. The print is really nice, and it pops with the black. But if you don't like that, you can get it in this one right here. And this one is like more of a neutral color, but the same details in this. But okay, so these are $400 for these right here. And the nice neutral color, they had two of those at my HomeGoods. These chairs are cute too, so you can grab these for $500. And I think these might swivel, but I'm not 100% sure, but I think those might swivel. But back to the other chair. So you can see they look the same. Only thing different is the color in those. But the black one was more. So that one is $500. Um, I don't know why. I think sometimes they make up the prices at HomeGoods. I really do. But these chairs right here, so these are my cute dining chairs, and the fabric has a bit of a texture to it. So it has that print and then a bit of a texture, and those are 130 for those. I just thought the texture and it was nice, and then you can't really see it, but the other material kind of like shimmers a bit. This console table, I like a little rough detail to stuff, so I thought that was cute. $250 for it, and it has like the curved edges and stuff. This, we saw the sofa before, and then this is the chair that like matches it. So $350 for that. And again, it has the same lines, like the same clean lines on it, and the bold print that kind of gives retro, but with the cut of the lines, it kind of gives new, like a modern type look to it too at the same time. Like I said, they still have some outdoor pieces. Some are going to be on clearance, some are not. These are separate, they're not a set. So the table is $60, and then the chairs are $100, but they're nice paired together. So you can still mix and match and pair some pieces together. These tables, storage cabinets, I thought were really pretty because they're just nice, simple, the little gold hardware on them. $200 for that one. But just how they even styled it with just the subtle pieces on top, like the vase, the picture frames. I just thought it was real pretty. They have the shelves in the inside for the storage, and they look like two different pieces because one is lifted and one is not. But these frames are cute. They're like $10. So yeah, that'd just be like a cute little setup there. These mirrors, HomeGoods, is coming out with a lot of nice, like hand carved looking like detailed mirrors, and I love it. So this is another like carved looking one, but this is Nautica, $250 for that. They had another one behind it, but I don't like messing, and I'm doing this one-handed. I don't like messing with the mirrors to pull them forward. This right here, I'm not sure if we saw this before, but it has like the yarn woven, like the macrame detail in it, and then like it goes nice with the wood. And that one was $130 for that. It has the wheels so you can move it around. These pieces look so nice together. They look like a little travel set. So they have this one right here for $250, and again, it's another one with like that raised detail in it. I'm trying to get an angle so you can pick it up, but that's just a nice cabinet there because the colors kind of pop off of it. It has like, the shelving inside and stuff. And then this chair right here, $400, and it kind of has like that hand macrame knitted type look to it, which I think is cute. This coffee table, whatever you want to use it at, I thought was so nice because it has like that barrel shape. The wood stain is nice. It was $1,000, but it says clearance, so I don't know if it was marked down again from that $1,000. But just a really nice piece. Like I said, still more outdoor stuff. So this right here, it's kind of like a day bed kind of thing. 1,000, but the ottoman, you can move it, and then that piece in the back comes up so you can have like, a little shade and stuff. But it has cute piping detail and everything on that. This I know we have seen before, not the table, this right here. I know we have seen before, but I just think it's so pretty. The colors, how they go, the black, the rattan like material, the cream cushion, but $500 for that. I just think it's just a pretty, pretty piece to have. This little dining set right here, see, this is on clearance. I'm waiting to see when the clearance goes down really low, like at what point in the season. But this was $800, and now it is $600, and you get the 4 chairs and then the table. So that's a good size. These little metal bird decor pieces I think are so cute. And look how pretty that blue is. $60 for those, so they're individual. But they're just real pretty. I just think they are. They have other colors too. This reminded me, I'm trying to remember whose house, but when I was young, somebody had these pieces in their house, or something similar to it. So I just thought that was cute. This wood piece right here is definitely giving me like a Arhus, restoration hardware type vibe to that. And it's a big piece for $80. Not bad at all. This little birdhouse I thought was interesting because it just looks like handmade, $10 for that. Just a lot of cute little pieces. This right here, so it says genuine brass, and it's just a cute little piece, and it was only $40, and it works because I don't know if it's picking it up that well from the thing, but when you look through it, it does actually magnify the stuff. So it actually works. Just something cute, and you can actually use that little piece of decor. So yeah, you might want to head over to your HomeGoods and see what they have in store.